I'm a complete doofus. Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel. I should have started this video somewhere else because the lighting in my bathroom is always horrible because I have a skylight and it shows right up here. Makes me look kind of crazy, but it doesn't matter. Today, I'm going to be dyeing my hair again because, you know, I don't feel like I look very good blonde. I am going to be dyeing my hair gray. And it's something that I wanted to try for a long time. I feel like, why not try it now? I do want to go back to like a red, coppery color eventually. I also still want to do aquamarine again because I really liked that color on me as well. But before I go like super dark, I want to try doing a smoky gray color. So I'm going to be mixing Sterling from Arctic Fox along with Transylvania from Arctic Fox because Sterling is meant for hair that's really light, like a level, I think you have to be like a level 10 for this to actually like work really well on your hair. But I'm going to darken it a bit because I'm not trying to have silver hair, I just want to have smoky gray. So I'm gonna mix Transylvania with like a few little dots of this and just mix it until I think it looks like the right color. So here's the color of, well, you can't really see it. Put it into the bowl first, Ziya. Genius. That actually looks pretty good. Like that's basically the color that I was going to change it to, but maybe I should darken it just a little bit because in the bowl it looks like a purpley gray. It looks really pretty. And I'm going to add a couple of drops of Transylvania just to make it a little bit darker. Transylvania is black. There's the amount of Transylvania that I just added. It kind of looks like 2 teaspoons. That's what I would say. This is how you know I'm not a professional. I just eyeball things and hope it comes out alright. Usually I have to end up using 2 8-ounce bottles of Arctic Fox hair dye to cover my whole head. So I do have a second bottle of Sterling to work with later, and I'll just mix it again once I get to that point. I'm probably going to use the brush here and there, but for the most part I'm just going to use my hands. And before I start using my hands, I'm going to put on some gloves. Nothing special about putting it on my hair, just make sure everything's covered, and hopefully it looks good. So we'll see. Alright, so you guys can definitely see where this is going. I'm going to do the rest of the video. I'm going to dye the rest of my hair off camera because this is just, it's a process, okay? So I will see you guys after I have everything applied. Alright guys, I'm back. My hair is covered in dye. In the light, it kind of looks blue. That's weird, right? Like the light is reflecting a weird bluish teal shade. Interesting. We'll see. I'm really excited to see how this comes out. I've been wanting to go darker with my hair for a while because I just got really tired of having pink and purple hair. So let's see how this works. So I'm going to, I'm a mess by the way, like I'm covered. I have hair dye on my tattoo. Wonderful. I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for a while. I usually let it sit for like 6 hours and right now it's 10:19. I'm gonna let this sit until 3 o'clock and then wash it out and then show you guys. Probably not today. I'm probably gonna make myself pretty another day and show you how I look. So yeah, see you guys later. Does this look gray to you guys? Does it look gray? No, it doesn't. I failed. It's not gray. It is in fact blue. There are some sections. There are some sections that look gray, and that is because I have washed my hair 2 or 3 times ever since dyeing it. So originally it was like a much deeper blue, like right up here. You see how that looks? It was all like this. Now there are these sections around here that are getting lighter, and I really like how that looks mixed with the darker shades. It's very mermaidy. I feel like my hair looks like the ocean, and even though it's not gray like I had planned to, apparently I'm a fool, a complete doofus that does not understand how colors work, because I mixed Transylvania, which is black, with sterling, which is silver, and it did not come out as smoky gray. No, 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 it did not. It turned out blue. And that's probably because of all the blue shades that are in Transylvania mixed with whatever amount of blue shade that is in sterling. So the blues in those came together and turned my hair blue, which technically I failed because I was going for gray. However, I still won because I really love this hair color. And it is something that I wanted to do eventually. I wasn't planning on doing it right now. I did want to go like a denim blue at some point. Just turns out I have it now. I'm not 100% sure what my next color is going to be, but I also like want to just mix all of the colors that I have left over from Arctic Fox. Just mix it all together and put it on my hair and see what happens. So I think that will be a video. Mixing all my leftover hair dye together and seeing what happens to that. So that's my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I did to it. I'm really, really happy with the look of this. It's been a while since I've had hair that's been this dark, and I miss it. I realized that I actually really miss having really dark hair. I've gotten compliments on it almost every time that I've gone out. One girl was at Lush, another one was at the grocery store, another one at Starbucks, and I was like, thank you, just give me all the compliments. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh. It was supposed to be gray, but you know, it's nice too. It was supposed to be gray. It's not gray. It's not gray at all. So even though I did fail, I didn't get the color that I was trying to get, I still ended up with a pretty cool color, and I'm really happy with it. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Oh, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, follow them. Turn on your notifications, all of that, because I don't know when I'm going to be putting up videos, but if you turn on your notifications, then you'll get notified every time I put one up. Alright, thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.